Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening
Amy,
up this
right there. Who's this song about? Amy?
color you're on. So I'm just going to open it. So here's what it comes with, and you're ready to open it. It comes with a couple stickers, markers, and the water bottle,
Who are you talking to?
camera, and YouTube.
Still gonna shave the sides, right? You want it to shop like where I always try to go up? Yeah. Right? Water on your nose.
I don't like my hair in my ear.
Here, over here. Now here, right? Oh, Bill, look at there. Look at your brother. He wanted a little car on top there.
Where is he?
He's upstairs. Leave him be. He's content.
This is
Oh, you have a coloring one?
yeah, this is a YouTube video.
Cool. You like that song about me?
Comes with purple, some blue, some yellow goldish, some silver, some pink. Comes with pink, purple, blue, orange, and yellow. Then it comes with purple and just a coloring water bottle. Just opens up like this. That's what it looks like. And this is what the lid looks like. So I'm gonna take off the tape. Okay, so let's open the markers. So here's what it comes with. The water bottle, the gems, and the markers. So let's get coloring before my camera dies. So you guys are about to die, so I'm gonna put the sparkles on quickly. So here's what it turned out to look like. I didn't color that part yet.
Where'd you learn to do that?
And then I'm gonna find the jewel.
What do you do better than